In today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of new features that they've got in Fusion 360. So Fusion 360 has been doing a lot of work. The guys at Autodesk have really done a lot of work when it comes to the 2D drawing side of Fusion 360. So we're going to look at center lines. So what I've got over here is just an all block, and what I've created is a couple of holes. Okay, I just sort of arrayed a couple of holes over there, and I'm going to go see if we are able to pick those center marks up automatically in our 2D drawing view. So let's go to the drawing from design, and it picks up the drawing, full assembly, create a new drawing from sketch A3. OK. So once this is done, I'm going to place my view, and you'll notice that we've got the addition of automated center lines and center marks in the bottom over here. So I'm going to go and say top view, let's make it 1:3, and drop it down. Now, with this over here, you'll see I've got center marks, and I'm able to create center marks on a hole, a round extrude, a round cut, and a fillet. So what they're trying to do is they're trying to get sort of all the different types of ways or types that you could model up geometry and be able to put a center mark on. So that was created with a hole, select it, okay, and I'm clicking on OK. There we go. So I've got my center marks over there. If I double click on this, I can take it away as well. So it's kind of dynamic like that. Cool. So let's go back here and let's go and create some of the other features that we could possibly create center marks on. So I'm going to go and create a hole. So a circle. I'm going to go create a extrude join over here. Okay. And I've just pre-done a hole as well as some fillets. Now with these fillets over here, I have created them so you can see this one, the radius is 20. This radius over here is 40. This radius over here is 60. And this radius over here is, sorry, that radius is 40. This is 30, I think. Yeah, 30 over there. Now, you see the radius 30. So now what I'm going to do is I only want to do two of these. I'm going to do the 30 and the 40. So it will be between 60 and 20. So does Fusion 360 have that capability? Okay, well, let's just go and take a look. So to update my drawing, I'm just going to go and save Fusion, my Fusion model. And you'll notice there that this is now, the drawing is out of sync. Please update. So I click on my little exclamation mark, and it will go and update my drawing. So here we go. So now what I'm going to do is let's go back to the editing this view. And we can go and edit that. Let's just go back here. Okay. So when I double click on this over here, it'll give me back to my edit drawing view. And let's go see what happens when I click on hole. Okay, so it will do the 9 holes that I've got over there. Okay, round extrude, great, it works for round extrude. Round cut, okay, awesome. And then round fillet. Now when I do round fillet, you'll see there's picked up the center marks for all 4 points over there. But if I only want the center marks for the 30 and the 40, let's see how I can go and do that. So edit the view, and then for my minimum fillet radius, I want it to be 21, so I do not want it to include 20. You can see there, it's disappeared. If I go down to 20, it will pop up again. So you don't want that, so it's 21, and the maximum is 59. That disappears over there. Okay. So there we go. A great addition to Fusion 360, where they're just making it much easier to come and create all these all the 2D dimensional well, to the 2D dimensions and annotations that we need in a design when we create stuff. Thanks very much for watching.